Model, 66-plate Ford Transit Custom 2.2 TDCi Trend needs injector ULEZ compliant. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 131513. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 125ps TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a diesel knock, needs injector number 4 replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Nice simple cheap repair. Engine.is 100% grin. This is a rare vehicle, being the more reliable 2.2 timing chain engine, but being ULEZ compliant. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is below average. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows, cruise control, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail.